The 5 best beaches in Samoa for families with kids. Samoa's stunning beaches are perfect for family getaways. Let's dive into the top 5 beaches where kids can play and parents can unwind. 1. Lalamanu Beach. A serene paradise with white sands and a child-friendly lagoon. Families can rent traditional Samoan huts and enjoy snorkeling in turquoise waters. 2. Manaus Beach. This northern coast gem offers calm waters and family resorts. Nearby Saliola lava fields provide a unique learning adventure. 3. Aganoa Beach. For a secluded retreat, Aganoa's coral reefs and eco-friendly stays are unmatched. It's a snorkeling haven for kids and parents alike. 4. Viola Beach. Discover natural swimming holes and rainforest tours. It's a less crowded spot for families to explore Samoa's natural wonders. 5. Return to Paradise Beach. Named after a classic film, it's equipped with amenities for a full day of family fun. The lagoon snorkeling is a must-try. In conclusion, Samoa's beaches offer safe, engaging, and educational experiences for families. From Lalamanu's picturesque shores to the unique swimming holes at Vaiula, there's a beach for every family. Book with Far and Away Adventures for a memorable Samoan beach vacation. Book with a Samoa specialist at Far and Away Adventures.